Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well. If you're new, hello, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and join the family. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell that is right next to the subscribe button because it is free and it only takes like literally 2 seconds. So make sure you do that and join the family. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a product review of 2 of the latest Fenty beauty products. These products were released to celebrate the brand's 1-year anniversary. So the first product is a Diamond Bomb highlighter. This is in the shade How Many Carats and it was £30 from Harvey Nichols. £30, that is so expensive. It's described as a pure platinum sparkle, a one-of-a-kind diamond dust highlighter that applies like a 3D glittering veil, delivering pure show-stopping sparkle all over the face and body. So this is a multi-purpose highlighter that you can use as an eyeshadow, you can use it as a lip topper, you can use it as anything to be honest, because it is multi-purpose and it is for all skin tone, because you know Rihanna is all about inclusive beauty. So the next product we have is the Gloss Bomb, the universal lip luminizer that everybody went crazy for. Rihanna's dropped it in another shade called Diamond Milk. This is £16 and you can get it at Harvey Nichols if you're in the UK and Sephora if you're in the US. I think you guys all know this by now. That is described as a explosive shimmering pearl with ultimate shine. You know, it's supposed to be all like shiny and nice and just, you know, feel good on your lips and all of that. Apparently she wanted women to be kissed more. That's the story behind these amazing gloss bombs. If you love the original Gloss Bomb, which everyone did, I'm pretty sure you're going to love this one as well. The packaging of the Diamond Bomb has actual real glitter on it. I actually love the way it looks. It has real glitter on it. If you touch it too hard, it will actually come off on your hands. It's real glitter, guys. I love it. It looks so nice. The lip gloss is just the same old package that the original lip gloss came in, so there's nothing special about that. The Diamond Bomb highlighter is mirrored, you know, so it's got sparkles inside of the packaging itself and it has a mirror so you can see yourself through the highlighter. When you open it, it has a huge mirror inside of it, which I love. Like, I love a clear mirror in any eyeshadow palette or highlighter. It just makes it so much easier to use and to work with. The product is in the middle. When you touch it, it just feels so soft. Like, it's literally so soft. It feels like a powder, but it is so soft. I just want to keep touching it forever because it just feels so nice. It looks so bougie. It looks so nice. I love it so much. It doesn't look ashy at all, and the actual product, it looks so finely milled and it feels really finely milled as well. Wow. I like my highlighters to be a little bit golden, which is why I really like the Trophy Wife, even though it's not an everyday highlighter. But with this one, it's more of a opaque finish. It's not a glittery silver highlighter, which I really like. Now I understand why it is universal, because it can go with any skin tone and it's so, oh my days, it just looks so natural and just so amazing. I love it. I love it, and it feels smooth on your skin. Oh my gosh, let me I just want to put it on. Let me put it on. Let me put it on. Oh, I can't wait. I got it. Let me get a mirror. I don't even have it. Where's my mirror? Okay, let me get a mirror real quick. I'm just going to take this brush that I have. It's not a highlighter brush, but it is a dense, like, some kind, I don't know, it's just a brush. So I'm going to take this brush and just apply it to my cheek area. Oh my days. Shut up, this is so nice. That glides on perfectly. And it's silver, but it doesn't look ashy. It doesn't feel ashy on my skin. And the product is so finely milled that you can't actually feel the glitter, of course. There's some highlighters that just, they're just no. I'm going to put a little on my forehead. I'm just going to tap it gently so I don't get too much. It just looks so natural. Can you even tell that I'm wearing highlight? Okay, yep. Yeah, you definitely can. So I'm going to spritz my face quickly with my Makeup Revolution Pro Fix setting spray, and then I'm going to reapply the product to see if it will like intensify it. So I'm going to apply some more of the product on top of the one that I just applied, just to see if it will intensify the product and look, you know, a lot more natural. Ooh, okay. Oh wow, I think I'm applying too much now. I'm going a bit crazy. But it does look a lot more bright and a lot more pigmented when it is wet. Whoa. So that is the highlighter applied. It just looks so natural and so pigmented. It just looks so beautiful. I love it so much. It looks really, really nice. So now I'm going to be applying the Diamond Milk Gloss Bomb Lip Luminizer, and this looks perfectly gorgeous. I love the name of it so much. If you were to put diamonds into milk, like small speckles of diamonds, this is exactly what it would look like. So the name is just perfect for it. Oh my god, it has the same smell. It has the exact same sweet smell. How did she do that? What is that? It just smells so nice. I think I applied way too much that I needed to, but I love the formula so much. I actually love these Fenty lip glosses, and I don't like lip glosses. I don't wear lip glosses, but this and the normal gloss bomb, these are amazing. I love the formula so much. I love the fact that it's not sticky and it feels very moisturizing on the lips. It's just so soft when you apply it. It's so nourishing. It's literally like skincare. I love the way the colour looks on camera, and I also love the way it looks in person. It's like a nice opaque shimmer, so it's not ashy. It's very soft and it's very moisturizing for your lips. It just gives like a nice glitter. It's the same obviously formula, except it's not peach in colour, it's glittery. So it's just amazing. I love it. And the thing that I love about this one is that you can actually apply it on top of other colours like a lip topper, because with this Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Fenty Glow, this one had like a peachy undertone to it, like a peachy colour. Now this one is clear and it's transparent, so you can apply it as a normal lip gloss on top of other lipsticks. I think I'll definitely be using this one a lot more on top of my lipsticks if I want to turn it into a gloss. It's so amazing. I love it so much. I mean, there's not much to say that's negative, because I definitely think it's worth the money. It's £16. I definitely think it's worth £16. Would I recommend you buying this? Yes, I would. I think that is definitely worth the money. However, I will use it very sparingly. It's not something that I will just be using every day. It's a special occasion, bougie girl kind of highlighter. As I said, it's finely milled and it's transparent, so it shows up on your skin tone and it looks very natural. It doesn't look ashy, it doesn't feel ashy, and it's just amazing. The formula is amazing, and I can't wait for her to release more of these highlighters in this formula. My Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlighter in Trophy Wife, that literally broke. My little brother dashed it and it broke. But with this one, I'm going to be putting it up carefully because it's so expensive, and it just looks so bougie and just so fancy. Like, even when I finish using this highlighter, I'm going to keep the packaging just because it just looks amazing. I love it so much, and I love the mirror inside. It's huge. If you're gonna get any of these products, I would recommend you definitely getting the lip gloss over the highlighter, because the lip gloss is something that you can use a lot. It's not that expensive, it's really not, but it's something that you can use, you know, over and over again. You can even put it on your eyelids, and it's, you know, it's universal. You can use it to do a lot of things, and it's just amazing. Like, why wouldn't you get the lip gloss? If you're a lip gloss person and you don't have this lip gloss, then girl, you're playing yourself. This is amazing. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Rihanna, please stop dropping products, because you're taking all my coins. I've literally got almost the whole collection. I need to stop myself. This is the end of the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you're a similar foundation shade to me, I'm $3.90 in Fenty Beauty, then you know you've got a chance to see what the Diamond Milk lip gloss looks like and the Diamond Bomb highlighter look like on my skin tone. If you're contemplating whether or not to buy any of these products, then you can definitely make a decision based on this video. I hope to help you. I love it so much. I think I definitely put a lot less on this side than I did this side. This side is just like, girl, and I use so much lip gloss. I love it so much. Love it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you like, share and comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.